In this video, we explore the world of power systems to understand what a STATCOM is, how it works, and its vital applications in the modern electrical grid. At its core, a STATCOM is a powerful device that regulates voltage and improves power quality by efficiently injecting or absorbing reactive power within the grid. The heart of a STATCOM is the voltage source converter, or VSC. This component connects to the grid and generates a controllable AC voltage to perform its tasks. When the converter's voltage is higher than the grid voltage, the STATCOM supplies reactive power, which helps the system voltage rise. Conversely, if the converter's voltage is lower than the grid voltage, the STATCOM absorbs reactive power, causing the system voltage to fall. When the converter voltage equals the grid voltage, there are no reactive power exchanges, and the grid remains stable. STATCOMs are fast-acting. For example, if a fault causes a voltage drop, the STATCOM detects this dip instantly and injects power to protect equipment. STATCOMs perform vital jobs, including maintaining bus voltage, improving the power factor, reducing voltage flicker, and supporting renewable energy plants. Compared to older SVC technology, STATCOMs use voltage source converters, react much faster, maintain full current at low voltages, and have a smaller footprint. In terms of response time, the STATCOM is classified as very fast, thanks to its VSC technology, outperforming fixed capacitors, SVCs, and synchronous condensers. These systems provide essential protection for critical infrastructure, from high-voltage substations and renewable energy farms to heavy industry and large data centers. As an electronic voltage stabilizer, the STATCOM is an indispensable tool for maintaining voltage stability in our modern, renewable heavy energy grids. If you found this overview helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video to help support our channel.